all thrones and dominions, all powers and positions. Your name stands above them all. Your name, your name, your name. Who is like our God?